How do you stop coughing from allergies? First, try to avoid your allergy triggers, like pollen or dust. Stay indoors when pollen counts are high, and keep windows closed. If you can't avoid triggers, over-the-counter antihistamines can help reduce symptoms. Drinking warm liquids, like tea with honey, soothes your throat and loosens mucus. Finally, consider using a humidifier to keep the air moist, which can ease coughing. If your cough persists, consult your doctor for stronger options. Follow for more allergy facts.